Welcome to the YouTube channel of Sneelata Shrivastava, XSG Lok Sabha. In this video, I am going to explain to you about the legislative business of the Parliament, which is one of the very important function of the Parliament to make the law or pass a bill to enact an act. So there are so many processes involved in passing the bill, and I will tell you one by one in parts to explain the various aspects of making the law. As we are all aware that an important function of Parliament, although not only the only function is to make laws. The term law, according to the most generally accepted definition, is an imperative direction embodied in an act, which in the form of a bill has been regularly debated and passed by a duly constituted legislature in the prescribed manner and assented to by the head of the state, and is binding on every citizen, and which the courts charged with the duty to ensuring respect for law are bound to enforce. The term law covers any rule, regulation, bylaws, or sub-rule made by a subordinate authority under powers delegated to it expressly in pursuance of the provisions of the Act and within limits specified therein. All legislative proposals have to be brought in the form of bills before Parliament. A bill is a statute in draft, and no bill, whether it to be introduced by the government or a private member, can become law until it receives the approval of both the houses of Parliament and assent of the President. Each bill undergoes 3 readings. The first reading means motion for leave to introduce a bill, on the adoption of which the bill is introduced, or introduction of a bill already published in the Gazette or laying on the table of the House of a bill as passed by the other House where it originated. The second reading consists of 2 stages. First stage constitutes discussion on the principles of the bill and its provisions, generally on any of the motions that it to be taken into consideration, that it be referred to a select committee of Lok Sabha, that it be referred to a joint committee of the houses with the concurrence of Rajya Sabha, that it be circulated for the purpose of eliciting opinion, and second stage signifies the clause by clause consideration of the bill as introduced or as reported by a select or joint committee, as the case may be. And the third reading refers to the discussion on the motion that the bill or the bill as amended be passed. Thank you.